Yeah.
Hey.
We're up 4.5. Oh, we got that one over. Third quarter, heat up 3. We're at the half. Yes, we are. Look at my defense. All night, Jackson. The Matador G.
What do you think, Logan?
Well, look at that. Yeah.
What do you think, buddy?
Oh, I stripped the ball and I dunked. Oh, we're pulling away. Hitting the dish.
Hey.
And I called it off the glass. You know, the players are watching their left and so hard they will not be.
What's so funny? Can you let us in on the joke?
Hey, buddy. Hey, Miss Abigail.
Yeah. You have to talk back.
Really?
Oh, good one.
That cleared up some space.
Oh, you're going to get some hiccups now, I bet.
If Abigail starts making noise and you make it back at her, she'll just start doing it even louder. It's the funniest thing. There you go. Say hey. You're used to being around boys, Abigail.
So you have all the... I only have one girl in that class. She's the only girl or one other?